हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चॅनल. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत वर्ग 12वा विषय इंग्रजी. तर यातील क्वेश्चन बँक. अगोदरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण तीन सीन पॅसेज पाहिलेले होते. आता समोरील सीन पॅसेजेसवर आधारित ॲक्टिव्हिटीज हे आपण पाहणार आहोत. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूयात. पॅसेज नंबर 4. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. 12 मार्कासाठी हा पॅसेज आणि त्याच्यावर आधारित ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत. सो अ ह्यूज अमाऊंट ऑफ डेटा इज कलेक्टेड. लेट मी गिव यू an idea of how huge the data might be. Big data can be petabytes or exabytes of data consisting of billions to trillions of records of millions of people, all from different sources. For example, web, sales, customer contact center, social media, mobile data, and so on. The data available to industries and companies is enormously increasing in volume, variation, velocity, veracity, and value. Such a big data is easy to obtain but so massive that it challenges the current computing technologies, and hence big data analytics is used to give insights that we were previously incomprehensible. Big data analytics is the complex process of examining large and varied data sets or big data to uncover information such as hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. With such a huge data available with the industries, they can have innumerable advantages. Hence, all the industries are trying to reap the maximum benefit from it. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitors. It's not the amount of data that is important, but what the organizations do with the data is what matters. Uses of big data. First, location tracking. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. Your GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. With geographic positioning and radio frequency identification sensors, we get the real-time data about traffic, congestion on a particular route, information of if the route is closed or if it is a one-way route, understanding accident-prone areas, etc. You can plan your own route according to the travel time and the transportation of goods. If you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods in transit. You can also track the condition of the goods. This has immensely helped the logistics companies to reduce risk in transport, improve speed and reliability in delivery. हाऊ द पॅसेज. आता यावर आधारित ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पाहूयात. ॲक्टिव्हिटी A1. अरेंज द गिवन सेंटेन्सेस इन द ऑर्डर टू समराइज द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉपर ऑकरन्सेस. 2 मार्कांसाठी ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे. फर्स्ट, बिग डेटा इम्प्रूव्ड द लॉजिस्टिक्स सर्व्हिसेस. सेकंड, एव्हरी ऑनलाईन ॲक्टिव्हिटी इज स्टोर्ड इन बिग डेटा. थर्ड, big data is comprehensible due to big data analytics. Fourth, the industries gain advantages from the big data. A2. Big data analytics play a vital role. Justify for 2 marks. A3. Big data is a great challenge to the present computing technologies. Explain. It is also for 2 marks. A4. We tend to refer to certain features of the product or services before orders. Give reasons for such conduct. For 2 marks. A5. आता आपण बघूयात की या पॅसेजमध्ये की प्रत्येक जी ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे ती ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2 मार्कांसाठी आहे, हे आपण लक्षात घेतलं पाहिजे. A5 मधली पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटी, इफ यू हॅव ऑर्डर्ड समथिंग ऑनलाईन यू कॅन ट्रॅक द लोकेशन ऑफ युअर गुड्स इन ट्रान्झिट इन ब्रॅकेट चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ज टू यूज आफ्टर प्लस ING. तर या वरील वाक्यामध्ये आफ्टर आणि त्यानंतर जर ING आपण वापरलं तर कशा पद्धतीचं वाक्य होईल हे आपल्याला खाली दिलेल्या पर्यायांमधून निवडून लिहायचं आहे. तर 4 पर्याय आहेत. पहिला पर्याय, आफ्टर यू हॅव ऑर्डरिंग समथिंग ऑनलाईन यू कॅन ट्रॅक द लोकेशन ऑफ युअर गुड्स इन ट्रान्झिट. सेकंड, आफ्टर ऑर्डरिंग समथिंग ऑनलाईन you can track the location of the goods in transit. Third, after you have ordered something you are tracking the location of your goods in transit. Fourth, after ordering something online you can tracking the location of your goods in transit. Second, big data analytics is the complex process in bracket choose correct alternative to change the sentence as negative sentence. की वरील वाक्य नकारात्मक जर आपण बनवलं तर खालीलपैकी योग्य पर्याय कोणता राहील. फर्स्ट, बिग डेटा ॲनालिटिक्स इज नॉट द कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोसेस. सेकंड, बिग डेटा ॲनालिटिक्स इज नॉट अ कंपाऊंड प्रोसेस. थर्ड, बिग डेटा ॲनालिटिक्स इज नॉट an easy process. Fourth, big data analytics is not the simple process. A6, pick out the antonyms of the following words from the passage. And words are given: A, understandable, B, hide, C, available, D, similar. यानंतरचा 5th पॅसेज आहे, रीड द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट अँड सॉल्व द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. 12 मार्कांचा पॅसेज आहे. यावर सुद्धा प्रत्येक ॲक्टिव्हिटी ही 2 मार्कांसाठी आपल्याला आहे. A1 to A6 अशा 6 ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत आणि प्रत्येक ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2-2 मार्कांसाठी आहे. The 8.5 hour long day inside the hide was fruitful as the jamba tree standing tall on the edge of Umbarzara. Before wrapping up my day at this natural water hole, I took entries of the avifauna in my field work. Since I was alone, I rushed to Pitezari village where I was stationed. I camouflaged the hide, took my essentials and came out of the hide and stretched out to my heart's content. I lifted my camera bag and took the familiar trail to Pitezari. Negotiating the webbed leaves of a teak wood and moha trees, trying to make minimal sound, I was treading cautiously among the wood. Walking alone in a jungle needs more alertness than walking with a companion. I was alone here like a fox, following the trail silently, watching with wide open eyes. My ears were grasping a variety of sounds, stunned me. Khack, khack, khako, khack. It was a langur alarm call. The leader of the gang of langurs was sitting on the tall tree making alarm calls out of fear. The rest of the langur brigade continued raising the alarm calls. The network of alarm calls was expanding its range as the petrified langurs speeded to the trees near and far and secured their places on treetops. All this upheaval was created by only one animal's presence, a leopard. Many animals make alarm calls when they see a predator, tiger or leopard nearby. The langur is more reliable when it comes to finding clues about the presence of apex predators in the jungle. The mighty elusive leopard of Umbarzara was out of his lair. He was on the prowl. The stealthily moving figure in spotted gold-black cloak was spied by these langurs. Even the small ones from the legion of langurs were giving alarm calls. Check, check. I stayed put, gogged the leader langur's target site and scanned the area visually. Took some steps, stopped again. A fresh cat was lying before me on the trail. The bluish purple flies were hovering over it. I was sure that the leopard was somewhere near. The distant alarm call of four-horned antelope was adding to the chaos. आता या पॅसेजवर आधारित ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पाहूयात कोणते दिलेले आहेत ते. A1. Complete the given flow chart about the writer's activities. तर ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला दिलेली आहे त्यांनी. द रायटर कम्प्लिटेड हिज टास्क सॅटिस्फॅक्टरीली. त्याच्यानंतरची ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला लिहायची. तिसरी ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे ही वॉज अलार्म ऑफ अ प्रिडेटर इन विसिनिटी. आणि त्यानंतर झालेली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला खालील बॉक्समध्ये लिहायची. A2. एनलिस्ट द क्ल्यूज विच कन्फर्म द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ अ लेपर्ड. त्यानंतर A3. Complete. I was alone like a fox. The writer compares himself to the fox because रायटरनं स्वतःला फॉक्स सोबत कम्पेअर केलेले याच्या मागचं कारण या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे. A4. State what precautions you would take after finding yourself lost in jungle. की जर तुम्ही जंगलामध्ये हरवले तर तुम्ही कोणते प्रिकॉशन घ्याल याबद्दल आपल्याला या प्रश्नात लिहायचं आहे. A5. डू ॲज डायरेक्टेड. त्यामधील पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे द लंगूर इज द मोस्ट रिलायबल इन फाइंडिंग क्ल्यूज इन जंगल अबाउट प्रिडेटर्स. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह दॅट गिव्स द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेन्स इन पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्री. की दिलेले जे काही वाक्य आहे ते वाक्य जर पॉझिटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये आपण केलं तर खालीलपैकी योग्य पर्याय कोणता राहील. A. No other animal in jungle is as reliable as langur in finding clues about predators in jungle. B. No other langur is as reliable as other animals in finding clues about predators in jungle. C. Langur is as reliable as other animals in jungle in finding clues about predators. D. Very few animals in jungle are as reliable as langur in finding clues about predators in jungle. सेकंड आहे याच्यामध्ये आय कॅमोफ्लेज्ड द हाईड आणि कंसात दिलेलं आहे चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह दॅट हॅज सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्स फॉर्म. की वर दिलेल्या वाक्याचा सिम्पल प्रेझेंट टेन्समध्ये आपण जर वरील वाक्य केलं तर त्याचा योग्य पर्याय कोणता राहील. ऑप्शन A. I camouflage the hide. B. I am camouflaging the hide. C. I have camouflaged the hide. D. I can camouflage the hide. त्यानंतर ॲक्टिव्हिटी A6. Find a word from the extract which mean the following. खाली जे काही एका ओळीमध्ये जो शब्द दिला आहे त्यासाठी कोणता शब्द आहे पॅसेजमध्ये तो आपल्याला पाहायचा आहे. First, to hide oneself by covering up with natural or artificial material to mislead the enemy. Second, finishing the work. Third, making oneself safe from danger. And fourth, to successfully walk over. हे चारही शब्दांसाठी पॅसेजमध्ये कोणता शब्द आहे तो आपल्याला शोधून काढायचा आहे. यानंतर सीन पॅसेज 6th. रीड द एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट अँड सॉल्व द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. सीन पॅसेज जो 12 मार्कांचा आहे आणि ॲक्टिव्हिटी A1, A2, A3, A4, A6 अशा 6 ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत. प्रत्येक ॲक्टिव्हिटीजला 2-2 मार्क आहेत. I scored 100% marks in mathematics in almost all the examinations that I appeared for from my first standard until IIT. Barring only a few times, I stood 16th in the SSC board. At that time, the examination was for the whole of Maharashtra, including Nagpur, and I stood first in the university in all subjects put together. Those days, you could get an admission into IIT without the entrance test, JEE, if you had secured the first rank in the university. Therefore, I did not have to appear for the entrance test to get the admission into IIT. But nobody in Solapur told me about it, for I doubt if anybody in Solapur even knew about this rule. Therefore, I appeared for the entrance examination and I secured a very good rank in the same. I was quite happy getting into IIT. But my joy was short lived. At Solapur, I had not seen any building which was more than 3-storied. Mumbai, however, was full of skyscrapers. At IIT, most of the students and professors used to converse in English, whereas my English was very poor. I had my entire education in Marathi. My spoken English was quite pathetic. Not only did I have very weak vocabulary, but my pronunciation also was terrible and my construction of English sentences very awkward to say the least. Due to all this, I was feeling quite lonely and terrified in Mumbai in general and IIT in particular. I had developed an inferiority complex and wanted to run away from IIT and even Mumbai. One day I was sitting at my mess table in the hostel sipping tea when a senior guy came and sat on the chair adjacent to me. He was a convent educated guy with fairly sophisticated English, at least spoken or colloquial English. He was a bit arrogant and wanted to pull my leg. He tried to engage in some conversation with me and started pointing out errors in just about every sentence or everything that I said. After about 5 minutes, he walked away after insulting me. I felt extremely humiliated and upset. As it is, I was feeling quite depressed and diffident about this incident was the last straw. I was almost broken. I felt out of place there and literally wanted to run away to Solapur that very moment. However, it was only my self-esteem which stopped me. Suddenly, a feeling of determination and strength came over me and gripped me. Despite hailing from Solapur, if I could be a rank holder in the school, college and IIT with many awards in mathematics, there must be something right with me. Why should I give up? And that too for a silly and small thing like English. I was not to give up anymore and I was determined to fight back. आता यावर आधारित ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. A1. Complete the given statements. First statement, the writer got admission in IIT as he in dash dash. Second, the poor English of the writer was responsible for त्यानंतर dash dash हे वाक्य आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचे. A2. Describe the state of mind of the writer when he came from Solapur. की रायटर ज्यावेळेस सोलापूरहून या ठिकाणी आले होते त्यावेळेस त्यांच्या मनाची अवस्था कशा पद्धतीची होती त्याचं वर्णन आपल्याला करायचं आहे. ॲक्टिव्हिटी A3. द इन्सिडेंट ऑफ द इन्सल्ट बाय सिनियर वॉज अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाईज फॉर रायटर एक्सप्लेन. की व त्यांच्या वरिष्ठांनी जो काही त्यांचा अपमान केला होता तो त्यांच्यासाठी वरदान ठरलं होतं हे एक्सप्लेन करायचं आहे. A4. We need a punch to push ourselves forward. Share your experiences. की आपल्याला समोर जाण्यासाठी एखादा पंच, एखादा धक्का, एखादा ब्लो हवा असतो. याबद्दल तुमचे जे काही अनुभव असतील ते या ठिकाणी शेअर करा. ॲक्टिव्हिटी A5. Do as directed. First, Not only did I have a very weak vocabulary, but my pronunciation also was terrible. In bracket, choose correct alternative to rewrite the sentence as simple sentence. की वरील वाक्य जर आपण सिंपल सेंटेन्समध्ये लिहिलं तर खालीलपैकी कोणता योग्य पर्याय होईल? पर्याय क्रमांक ए, आय हॅड अ व्हेरी वीक वोकॅब्युलरी विथ टेरिबल प्रनन्सिएशन. बी, I had a very weak vocabulary and my pronunciation was terrible. C, I did have a very weak vocabulary along with terrible pronunciation. D, I had a weak vocabulary as well as terrible pronunciation. Second, I felt extremely humiliated. In bracket, choose correct alternative to rewrite the sentence using the noun form of the underlined word. की वरील वाक्य जर अंडरलाईन केलेला जो शब्द ह्युमिलिएटेड त्याचा नाउन फॉर्म वापरून आपण जर लिहिलं तर खालीलपैकी कोणता पर्याय योग्य राहील? ए, आय फेल्ट एक्स्ट्रीमली ह्युमिलिएशन. बी, आय फेल्ट एक्स्ट्रीमली ह्युमिलिएटिंग. सी, आय फेल्ट एक्स्ट्रीम ह्युमिलिएशन. D, I felt extreme humiliating. Activity A6, prepare a word register for language. लँग्वेजसाठी तुम्हाला वर्ड रजिस्टर तयार करायचं आहे लँग्वेज या वर्डसाठी.